नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, ऑल केरला बैंक रिटायरीज फोरम AKBRF ने एक पत्र 10/12 को श्री संजीव के बंदलिस कन्वेनर यूबी को लिखा। MOU on 7 December, ex gratia against pension revision. We invite your kind attention to your circular dated 8 December 23, wherein you stated that pensioner will be paid an ex gratia amount on monthly basis, ignoring the long pending demand of revision of pension. At the outset, we convey our strong displeasure and disappointment for agreeing to bankers' point on revision of pension by accepting an ex gratia payment, subverting the very pension scheme, that too by taking recourse to bipartite settlement. This retrograde step is highly commendable because it is an absolute surrender to management of banks by the negotiators to the detriment of 8 lakhs of the bank pensioners. Perhaps UFB leaders may under the impression that employees can be hoodwinked by projecting the positive aspect of MOU, that is the increase in the percentage achieved to the extent of 17% in the wage revision, but this achievement pales into insignificance by accepting an ex gratia monthly allowance in the grab of the revision of pension. The earmarking of the 3% only for the loading policy will lead to compression of basic pay, unlike in RBI and LIC, with serious implications on the pension and the other superannuation benefits. The developments in RBI and NABARD should have acted as an eye-opener to EOBU, where the pension scheme is similar to bank pensioner. Revision of pension has been allowed in RBI and in NABARD for all the wage settlement to the satisfaction of all the existing pensioners. You failed to consider these factors, including the huge fund balance in the pension corpus. It is in the fitness of things that the ex gratia provision in the MOU may be abrogated and suitable amendment made by facilitating genuine upward revision. Justice can be done only by when a favorable situation is evident at this point of time. Internally and externally, the demand of revision could have been realized had negotiator taken into account the unified approach of all the workforce in the industry, without cadre differences and in their preparedness for the unleashing powerful struggles. UFU should ponder over the grievances of the bank pensioner, solution for which was evident at the last moment of the bipartite discussion. We urge comradely M. Suresh, General Secretary, और AIKBRF के लोगों ने इसको कंडम किया है, the steps taken by the UFU for the ex gratia of the pensioner. और वहीं पे हमारे दूसरे यूनियंस SBI कॉमन्स, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, मैसूर पेंशनर्स कम्यून ने इसको अच्छा बताते हुए अपना आर्गुमेंट दिया है। मैं उसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको एलॉबरेट करता हूं। थैंक यू, नमस्कार।